Welcome back, guys. We're at trustedshoppingguy.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best magnetic tool holders. If you're tired of rummaging through cluttered toolboxes or struggling to find the right tool when you need it most, then magnetic tool holders will definitely be a game changer for you. In this video, we'll explore the top options available, highlighting their features and benefits and how they can revolutionize your tool organization and workflow. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in and discover the best magnetic tool holder for your needs. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshoppingguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth magnetic tool holder in our list is the Goplus 18-inch magnetic tool holder, which trustedshoppingguy.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. Without a doubt, the Goplus 18-inch magnetic tool holder is a versatile and efficient solution for organizing all kinds of different tools. Its functionality extends beyond just knives, as it securely accommodates screwdrivers, wrenches, drill bits, and various other tools, make it an invaluable addition to any tool shed or workshop. Boasting a remarkable weight capacity of up to 22 pounds, the tool holder's solid steel frame and powerful neodymium magnet ensure that your tools are held securely in place. What's more, this magnetic tool holder creates a well-organized and easily accessible space for your tools, whether it's in your garage, home, or workplace. To our delight, we also found that the installation process is a breeze, thanks to the pre-punched mounting holes, allowing you to save valuable counter and drawer space while ensuring that your tools are always within reach when you need them. Without a doubt, the Goplus 18-inch magnetic tool holder will have you saying goodbye to cluttered workspaces and enjoying the convenience of having your tools neatly organized and readily available. Now, the magnetic surface may not be suitable for all types of tools, particularly those made of non-magnetic materials. Nevertheless, this magnetic tool holder delivers on its promise at a very reasonable price. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to individuals who have a moderate-sized collection of magnetic tools and want a convenient and space-saving storage solution. The fourth magnetic tool holder in our list is the Senrob 12-inch magnetic tool holder bar, which trustedshoppingguy.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. If you're someone who prioritizes organization and accessibility for their frequently used tools, then the Senrob 12-inch magnetic tool holder bar is a fantastic choice for your workshop. With a comprehensive set that includes 4 pieces, along with mounting brackets, screws, and S-hooks, you have all the necessary components for quick and convenient installation. In fact, we can confidently recommend this for beginner handymen who want to make their first investment in a magnetic tool organization. What's more, the robust magnetic tool holder is capable of securely accommodating up to 20 pounds of weight on each bar, offering a reliable storage solution for a wide range of tools such as wrenches, screwdrivers, spanners, and grips. In addition, the compact dimensions of each bar, measuring 12 by 0.95 by 0.5 inches, make it effortless to install in various spaces, ensuring versatility and placement. Finally, being crafted with a carbon steel frame and boasting powerful magnetic attraction, this tool holder guarantees an efficient and effective method of keeping your tools within easy reach whenever you need them. Now, while the capacity of 20 pounds is suitable for holding smaller hand tools, heavier tools or larger items may exceed the weight limit and not stay securely in place. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to DIY enthusiasts, craftsmen, hobbyists, and homeowners who frequently use wrenches, screwdrivers, spanners, and similar tools. The third magnetic tool holder in our list is the Modern Innovation 16-inch stainless steel magnetic knife bar, which trustedshoppingguy.com is awarded a 5-batch rating. Offering both functionality and style, the Modern Innovation 16-inch stainless steel magnetic knife bar is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its powerful magnets and sleek satin finish, it not only securely holds your knives, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Aside from this, the heavy-duty design ensures that even your largest knives can be safely hung on the magnetic strip, keeping them within easy reach. In fact, during our time with the Knife Bars review unit, we were able to confirm that it can accommodate up to mid-sized knives and tools with relative ease. Plus, its extended length allows for ample storage, accommodating more knives than traditional knife blocks. As if that's not impressive enough, this magnetic knife bar is in fact not just for knives. You can also use it to organize various items like scissors, tools, keys, and more. Last but not least, Installation is a breeze with the included mounting hardware and instructions, make it a convenient solution for kitchen organization. Just a heads up, the magnetic strength may vary depending on the size and weight of the knives, which may be concerning for kitchens with quite large knives. However, for most average-sized knives, this magnetic knife bar will securely hold them in place with ease. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who want to keep their knives organized and easily accessible in their kitchen or workspace. The second magnetic tool holder in our list is the Master Magnetics 24-inch heavy-duty magnetic tool holder, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Master Magnetics 24-inch heavy-duty magnetic tool holder is a must-have organization accessory for anyone looking to quickly and efficiently organize their tools. With its powerful magnet, it offers an immediate and secure place for wrenches, hammers, screwdrivers, screws, and any other ferrous materials you may have, ensuring that your tools are easily accessible and neatly organized at all times. But that's not all. This magnetic tool holder features a heavy-duty design that guarantees a tight grip even on heavy items. With a pull force rating of up to 20 pounds per inch, rest assured that your tools will remain securely in place. Mounting this organizational marvel is an absolute breeze. Thanks to the included steel tabs and screws, you'll be able to effortlessly install it in your desired location. Whether you're a seasoned DIY crafter, a professional builder, or simply a homeowner in search of enhanced organization, this magnetic tool holder caters to handy individuals of all skill levels, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. Now, it's worth taking note that this tool holder is designed specifically for ferrous materials, meaning it won't work for non-magnetic tools or objects. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who primarily work with ferrous materials and need a strong magnetic force to securely hold heavy items. The best magnetic tool holder in our list is the RamPro magnetic tool holder strip, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Saving the best for last, the RamPro magnetic tool holder strip is a fantastic tool organization solution that offers numerous benefits for your workshop. First things first, this magnetic tool holder allows you to keep all your tools neatly organized and easily accessible in one place, ensuring that you always know where your tools are when you need them. What's more, the strip is made of high-quality carbon steel, providing strength and durability, while the solid magnetic bar can securely hold up to 10 pounds of weight, accommodating your most valuable hand tools. You'll also be delighted to hear that installation is an absolute breeze, so we can stop worrying about tricky and tedious setups. Additionally, you can even expand the storage capacity by connecting multiple strips. So whether it's for your garage, workshop, kitchen, or any other space, this versatile magnetic tool organizer is a reliable choice. Each pack includes either 4 or 8 12-inch strips along with brackets and mounting screws, offering convenience and value. On the less positive side of things, the weight capacity of 10 pounds may not be sufficient for larger or heavier tools, limiting its usefulness in certain applications. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals who need a simple and convenient tool organization solution for lighter tools in their garages, workshops, kitchens, or other similar spaces. And there you have it, folks. Our best magnetic tool holders, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next magnetic tool holder roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.